Mama's kitchen always had buttermilk on hand. But if you're anything like me, keeping buttermilk on hand is not quite so easy. So what do you do when you need buttermilk in a flash to make that recipe? Buttermilk biscuits, buttermilk pancakes, or that nice fluffy cake? All you need is milk and white vinegar, and that's it. So here I have 1 cup of regular milk that I've measured out. I'm using whole milk, but you can use whatever milk you have on hand. And to that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Just pour it right in. And then I'm just going to give it a quick stir. Like that. And then that's it. It just sets for about 5 to 10 minutes for it all to come together. So basically while you're preparing the rest of your recipe, and then your buttermilk is ready to be used. How simple is that? So if you've got that perfect recipe and you need buttermilk, don't worry. All you need is milk and vinegar and a quick stir, and you've got your buttermilk to the rescue. Enjoy!